There are two major pieces of news for today. The first is that the Ryzen 5000 series CPUs are actually getting cheaper. This can be due to a plethora of different reasons, but it's most likely AMD preparing for both their own and Intel's next generation CPUs, with Intel's Alder Lake and their next generation Ryzen CPU. Looking at Amazon, we can see that even the Ryzen 9 5950X CPU has been discounted by 6%, while the Ryzen 7 5800X CPU features the largest price cut, being 12% off its initial price of $449. These price cuts are perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their gaming setup, with the Ryzen 7 5800X CPU offering 8 cores and 16 threads. This CPU is very common for gaming/streaming setups due to its high thread count and its faster clock speeds of up to 4.7 GHz. This deal may make more users upgrade from 3rd generation Ryzen to 5000 series Ryzen. The second story focuses on Intel's latest launch, as they have launched the NUC X15 Reference Gaming Laptop Kit. This reference kit offers two different CPU options, the Intel Core i5-11400H or the Intel Core i7-11800H CPUs, both of which utilize Intel's Tiger Lake H architecture and feature an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series GPU. The i5 model utilizes 6 core, while the i7 CPU utilizes 8 cores. The i7 model also presents a 240Hz Full HD panel along with a 65Hz QHD panel option. It also has 64GB of DDR4 32MHz RAM, as well as PCI 4.0 SSD capabilities in the two M.2 slots available. The Intel i7 NUC X15 laptop features Wi-Fi 6. It also has 3 USB ports, a Thunderbolt 4 compatible port, and USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports. An HDMI 2.1 port allows for high-resolution output on the 15.6-inch screen. The laptop sports a mechanical keyboard with anti-ghosting and N-key rollover. The keyboard also presents RGB backlighting for long hours of use and in any lighting situation. The new NUC X15 series gaming notebook is a powerful lightweight gaming laptop weighing less than 2 kilograms, making it a worthy competitor in the notebook market. No pricing has been released yet by Intel. However, due to the gaming laptops utilizing Tiger Lake architecture, it is possible that they will feature a higher price when compared to entry-level gaming laptops. There's also no word on who will be partnering with Intel out of the gate. During the release of the NUC M15 laptop kit, which was released last year, AData was the first company to partner with the manufacturer to create their own brand name version. It is possible that with the current gaming market, Intel may have significantly more partners than its previous NUC laptop. Will you be getting Intel's latest NUC X15 gaming laptop kit, or will you be upgrading your system with a discounted Ryzen 5000 series desktop processor? Let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic tech news.